a native Charlottean, one of those rare breeds. Grew up here in Charlotte, in the neighborhood that I live in now, as a matter of fact. When I was here growing up as a child, it was a very professional community, a lot of teachers, a lot of professional people, a lot of business owners.
What do you think would make it easier for people in your community to access those types of fresh foods?
Build a store in our neighborhood. All of the neighborhoods on the corridor. These are all neighborhoods that have been here for years. The people have been here for years. The seniors have lived here. They've produced, been productive citizens here, and they still live here. And we like it. We don't want to go anywhere. And to be able to shop in our own neighborhood would be a tremendous opportunity. Tremendous.
We have over 72,000 people who live in food desert areas in Mecklenburg County right now. So that's a large amount of people that we need to get to and try to get some fresh produce to, so they can have the access, at least, to be able to start eating more fruits and vegetables.
Program started about 4 years ago, and we grow 2 sets of plants. We grow in the fall broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and then in the spring we go tomatoes and squash and lettuce. Pizza Garden is a program that started last year with Fuel Pizza, and they grow all the ingredients for their own pizza, and then at the end they get to go to the restaurant, take their ingredients, and make a pizza with their spinach and their onions and oregano and basil.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So much work to do, and we need so many more foot soldiers to get it done. So, and that's what I do along the way. I recruit a lot of foot soldiers.
All the time behind.
So it sounds like you really love your community.
I do. It's home.
If you let them, then the lies will come true, and they'll come.
There are other partners in our community that are really trying to do some things and make it happen.
With the push and the pull.
One of the easy action items and programmatic things that we're doing through the Mecklenburg County Fruit and Vegetable Coalition are the community gardens, are the school gardens.
That's what we'd really like to see is a lot more community gardens in all of the food desert areas at least.
All that lies behind you now.